So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use outfit codes in Roblox and where to add the codes and where to write the codes. So how to do this, let's get started. First what you need to do is open your Roblox and then search for catalog avatar creator. Just go over to this and then playlist, just enter in it, and once you're in the lobby just click on community outfits and then click on most popular one. Once you do this, click on outfit code and then just write the code which you have, and once you do this you will be able to see your outfit. And yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.